Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys talkback disable setting. How to disable talkback mode in Tecno mobile. Friend, by mistake you have enabled talkback mode and friends now you want to disable. So friends, how to disable one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, use your two finger and then scroll, because friends if you use one finger you cannot disable talkback in your all Tecno mobile and your all Android mobiles. Use your two finger, then friends you can disable talkback easily. Friends, open your phone setting with double tap to continue, because guys if you one tap your phone setting will not on. So friends, double tap on phone setting. After double tap, friends click here bypass setting, and friends again use your two finger. And friends, if you use one finger, friends you can check, you cannot disable, you cannot scroll here. So use your two finger friends. Open your phone special function setting with double tap. After on guys special function setting friends, click here gesture setting and video assistant setting. Use your two finger again, scroll. Last option friends, click here accessibility, double tap here. After double tap friends, click here accessibility menu shortcut setting and scroll again. Friends, click here talkback and friends again double tap. Use talkback, one tap, double tap friends. After double tap friends, top button, double tap, talkback will disable, and friends you can use your Tecno mobile without talkback setting. So like that friends, we can disable talkback in Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you even doubt? Friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends, before going please go and like the video.